Hello everyone, my name is Pratnya Paramita Dewi Pitaloka from Bina Nusantara, University of Malang. Today, I will present my research entitled Ruka's Brand Image in Aziza Salsa Collaborative Content on TikTok, a qualitative study on public perception. Social media, especially TikTok, has transformed the way brands communicate with audience. Today, brand image is no longer shaped only by companies, but also by public interaction through comments, like, and share. This became especially relevant when the local fashion brand Rukas collaborated with influencer Aziza Salsa, who later became involved in cancel culture controversy. This study explored how that collaboration influenced public perception of the Rukas brand. In a literature review, the study is supported by four main theories. The first, brand image theory by Keller, explained that brand image is formed through association in consumer mind. Second, electronic word of mouth, or EWOM, explained that comments and online discussion strongly influence public perception because audience tend to trust other users more than official brand communication. And the third, social proof, explained that people often follow opinions that receive the most attention or engagement on social media. Finally, source credibility theory states that the effectiveness of communication depends on the credibility and reputation of the major source. Therefore, an influencer reputation can directly affect public trust in the brand. This study is fill the research gap by examining how a local brand is affected when collaboration with an influencer experience cancel culture. In three methods, this research used a qualitative descriptive case study. The data were collected from 5 collaboration videos of the official Rukas TikTok account. A total of 110 audience comments were selected using purposive sampling. Data collection involved digital observation, documentation, and literature review. The comments were analyzed using the Miles and Huberman model through data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. The comments were categorized into 6 themes. 1. Negative perception. 2. Defensive perception. 3. Neutral perception. 4. Skepticism. 5. Social proof. 6. Positive perception. Result. The findings are divided into 6 themes. First, negative perception. Most comments rejected the collaboration because audience associated Aziza Salsa controversy with a Rukas brand, creating negative brand association. Second, defensive perception. Some users argued that personal issues should be separated from the quality of the brand and defended the collaboration. Third, neutral perception. Several audience focus only on the content quality and visual presentation without taking side. Fourth, skepticism. Some users question the accuracy of the information circulating on social media before forming opinion. 5. Social proof. Many comments show that audience tended to follow majority opinion. Popular comments influence other users to adopt similar perception. Finally, positive perception. Despite the controversy, several users still appreciate Ruka's creative concept, visuality, identity, and product quality. These findings indicate that public perception is differs and developed through interaction among social media users. Discussion. The discussion showed that negative perception became the dominant factor in shaping Ruka's brand image. The findings support Keller's brand image theory because audience transferred negative association from the influencer to the brand. The study also confirms Stuart Hall's encoding-decoding theory, showing that audience actively interpret media messages rather than passively accepting them. Furthermore, electronic word of mouth and association social proof demonstrate that interaction among users contribute significantly to the formation of collective opinions. Finally, the findings strengthen source credibility theory, indicating that influencer reputation directly affect the effectiveness for marketing communication. Conclusion. In conclusion, this study finds that Ruka's brand image was influenced not only by the collaboration content itself, but also by public interaction, electronic word of mouth, influencer credibility, and the spread of digital opinion. The success of influencer marketing depends not only on popularity but also on reputation and public acceptance. Therefore, companies should carefully evaluate influencer credibility before establishing collaboration and continuously monitor audience responses as part of digital reputation management. Thank you for attention and see you!